All right, welcome back. I'm joined with meteorologist Marielle Ruiz. We've got our Cedar Hill tower cam behind us. It looks kind of cloudy.
It does.
I know you've been monitoring the radar.
Yes.
A little rain coming?
A little rain coming. It's mainly to the south, and this is what most of North Texas is looking like right now, just a mix of sunshine and cloud cover. Let's go ahead and take a look at radar because we are tracking that rain moving from the south into North Texas, and it'll be here in a couple of hours. Now, the heaviest rain is in Central and South Texas. South Texas under a big flood risk today. Not the case for us. We are on the tail end of the system that's bringing in the heavy rain there. Most of the rain is going to stay south of Interstate 20 through this afternoon, and that's where we find our highest rain coverage, 40 to 60%. I'm only keeping about 20 to 40% coverage across the Metroplex, including Interstate 20, including Dallas, Tarrant, Denton, Collin, and Rockwall counties. Kaufman, Hunt counties also in that 20 to 40% range. It kind of depends on what time of the day you're looking at. And let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to take you now to 3 in the afternoon because that's when we start to see a little bit better coverage of our rain in our southern counties. I'm looking more so at Hill, Navarro County. You'll see that rain expand towards the north between 3 and 6 in the afternoon. And again, Interstate 20 is right around there. Most of this activity is staying south of that. I'm not completely ruling out a few showers kind of popping up around the Metroplex at this time. But again, most of the coverage will be south of DFW. This is now around 10, 11 p.m. You see a lot of this activity southeast of the Metroplex. That's where we also find our coolest temperatures today, if we can call it that. Upper 60s for a big portion of our southern counties. About 77 in Dallas and in Fort Worth, 79 in Denton, 75 in McKinney. We are looking at temperatures that are warmer than what's considered normal for this time of the year. We are also looking at the 80s along our northwestern counties. 80s back in the forecast for Saturday and Sunday, but look at Friday. Friday, a high of 71 degrees to end the week, and that is because of rain coverage going up to about a 60%. So I'm expecting higher coverage of that rain tonight into Friday. Let's talk about that. This is showing you tonight going into Friday early in the morning. That's around 7. You see better coverage now along our northern counties. A lot of this is also going to stay along the eastern half of North Texas. So we'll be watching this, of course, for any potential of some downpours. The threat for severe weather is very low for tonight into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning could be a wet commute, so be sure to give yourself some extra drive time. And that rain, it's not going to be consistent throughout the day, but it's going to be on and off throughout the day. Scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms expected. This is around 11 on your Friday. Let me take you to the afternoon because this rain is going to slowly taper off from west to east. This is Friday around 4 p.m. And during that daytime heating, you can very well see some thunderstorms develop across Henderson County and east. I'm looking at Tyler, Jacksonville. That's where we could see some strong storms develop Friday afternoon and evening. Most of North Texas will not see this. We'll just see the light scattered rain, but something we'll certainly be watching Friday afternoon and evening. We could pick up anywhere between a quarter to half an inch of rainfall through Friday. That is not our only opportunity for rain. We have another round of rain likely for us come Sunday, and this is Sunday around 6 p.m. You can see a lot of this mostly to the east, so we'll be watching this in case it kind of sneaks closer towards DFW. We are looking at a higher risk for severe weather east of North Texas, closer to the Mississippi Valley on Sunday, and on Monday that's going to shift towards the mid-Atlantic. But for us, we're looking pretty warm the next couple of weeks, 70s and 80s, and a few rounds of rain. Janelle?
Well, thanks for that, Marielle.